So let's talk about dynamics and why they're important in your playing. Let me give you an example of something that doesn't have any dynamics, and you'll see what I mean. That's okay, but if I put dynamics in, so you can see there's a difference. There's a kind of peak in the volume, and then it goes down again. So this is something that guitarists do, vocalists do, any musician really. So I would definitely recommend that you think about your dynamics in your playing. That could be a solo where, for example, the riff I did there, I was getting louder as I got to the top, so I went, and then I was much quieter. So that's one way to do it. Build up to it, or start loud and then get quieter. And some of these are really quiet notes, particularly if you're doing notes where you're coming off another note. For example, if I do that C I'm playing there is very quiet. So this will take a bit of time to practice, but it's definitely worth doing. What I'd like you to do also is to check your keyboard is set to have the full dynamic range. So on some keyboards you can decide the response of the velocity of your notes. So look at the manual for that and see if you can make sure that you can set it up so that it will give you some sort of opportunity to put some dynamics into it. So as well as soloing, you can also use it for chords as well. So let's choose another riff I've been doing recently. I'll just show you now. So that's got dynamics in. There's a kind of an ebb and a flow, like a wave that comes and goes. If I do it without any dynamics at all, and this is some dynamics. I'm exaggerating slightly, but it's just to give you an idea of the importance of that. That's dynamics in soloing and chords or your rhythm playing. I think it applies to any kind of part of your playing. It's just variety. It makes it much more interesting, and it's something any other musician will do. So good luck with that, and see you soon.